Hi everyone, my name is Alice and I'm a photographer. Today I'm going to show you a photo shoot in nature with a popular concept, drying lingerie.
Ich bin ein Kämpfer in voller Montur, doch ich sprech mich nicht frei von der Angst.
I've seen this idea many times online and decided to try it myself. When it comes to props, it's important to hang only white clothes. Otherwise, they'll distract from the main focus and make the photo too busy. The closest line should also be white, so it blends with the background, and the clothespins should all be the same color. I choose wooden clothespins for a simple, natural look. I even decided to sew the lingerie set for the model myself. I think it turned out pretty cute. We did the shoot at sunset, but didn't need much light, so we chose a spot in the shade of the trees.
Ich bin ein Kämpfer, ich bin mir bewusst, was ich kann, wer ich bin. Doch ich sprech mich nicht frei von der Angst vorm Alleinsein, frei von der Angst. Ich schau in den Spiegel und alles macht Sinn. So ganz mit mit Farben, mit Farben. I'ma tell him you're my baby girl. Don't know what you do to me. Calling you my baby girl. Is it just a fantasy? Is it just a
I hope this video was helpful and interesting. See you soon!